Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, I'm going to explain the table of contents. So I'm going to explain things that you're going to do, things that you're going to learn in each chapter. So as you guys can see here, in total, we have 10 chapters in this course. So hopefully by the end of this video, you're going to have a better understanding about things that you can expect to learn from each chapter, alright? So let's begin with the first chapter, whom this course is intended for. So in the first chapter, I'm going to explain my intention behind creating the course, who are my main targeted students for this course, and also if you are a copywriting specialist or you want to be a copywriting specialist, you want to learn how to utilize AI to automate ad creation process, this is definitely the right course for you guys, right? So we're going to talk more about that in the first chapter. And let's talk about the second chapter, tools and resources. So in the second chapter, I'm going to provide you with a list of 10 AI tools that we're going to utilize to create ad copies, ad images, and also ad videos. And the good news here is all of these AI tools that we're going to utilize are completely free, so we're not going to spend money on these AI tools. Okay, so let's move on to the third chapter, automating ad copy and video creation with AI. So we're going to talk about which part of ad copy and ad video creation process that can be automated using AI. And I just want to clear up some of these misunderstanding or misconceptions about AI automations. Only because we are going to utilize AI to automate the copywriting work, it does not necessarily mean that you don't have to do any work. You can outsource everything to AI. Unfortunately, that's not the case, all right? You still need to do a lot of extensive market research and product research. However, you can outsource some of these copywriting works to AI, so it will enable you to focus on things that are actually more relevant, right? But you still need to put a lot of efforts into your product. So yeah, that's the third chapter. Let's move on to the fourth chapter, criteria of successful ad copies. So in the fourth chapter, we're going to learn all essential components that need to be included in a successful ad copy that will convince our potential customers even more to purchase the product. For example, like value proposition. So like we're letting them know what value they're going to get out of this product. Or maybe emotional appeal or psychological appeal, how we play around with the psychology so we can convince our customers, our potential customers, to purchase this product. Okay, so that's chapter 4. Let's move on to the chapter 5, designing compelling CTA. For those of you who don't know what CTA is, well, CTA stands for call to action. So when you see an ad copy, usually there is a sentence in the bottom, for example, like learn more or purchase now or sign up now. So those are a couple examples of CTA, right? Call to actions. So we're going to learn how to design compelling CTA. And reason why CTA is very essential, because no matter how good your ad copy is, if you don't have a clear CTA, then most likely your potential customers have no idea what to do next. Okay, so they might be interested in your products. They might be very interested in your ad. However, if they don't know how to proceed, they don't know how to purchase your product, they don't know like what link they need to click to get to your store, then most likely they're not going to make the purchase, right? So that's the reason why it is going to be very crucial for you to design a very compelling and clear CTA. Okay, so that's chapter 5. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 6, creating an ad copy for Google. So I'm going to guide you step by step on how to utilize tools like chatgpt, Sonic, right? Copy AI, and also Cream to generate you ad copy for Google Ads, right? And it's going to be very simple because what you need to do is just to tell the AI what products that you're selling and maybe tell AI a little bit about the product descriptions and click generate, and in less than a minute, AI is going to generate you the ad copy that you can use for Google Ads campaigns. So yeah, that's chapter 6. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 7, creating ad copies for Facebook and Instagram. So yeah, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create ad copies for Facebook and Instagram, as well as the images, right? Because when it comes to Facebook and Instagrams, we need to have very interesting, very compelling images on our ad campaign, right? Because that's like the first thing that our potential customers are going to see. If they're interested, they're going to click. If they're not really interested, then most likely you're not going to get clicks. Okay, so yeah, that's chapter 7, and we're going to utilize tools like Snazzy AI, Creatable, and Magic Brief for Facebook and Instagram ads. Okay, so let's talk about the next one here, chapter 8, creating ad videos for YouTube and TikTok. We're going to utilize tools like InVideo, DeepBrain, and also Steve AI to create viral videos. And the objective here is very clear. We want to make a viral video, right? Because we want to get attentions from our potential customers. Okay, so that's chapter 8. Let's move on to chapter 9, how to monetize your copywriting skills. So after learning all these skills and knowledge, how to automate copywriting using AI, how to utilize text to ads AI generator, text to video ads AI generator, you're going to learn strategies that you can implement to potentially make you money, right? To monetize these skills. Maybe start freelancing work on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or maybe you can consider to start your own social media marketing agency. So yeah, we're going to talk more about those business models in chapter 9, and let's move on to the next chapter, which is also the last chapter, conclusion and summaries. So I'm going to summarize all things that we've learned so far, and I'm also going to share a few tips and tricks on how to be more successful in copywriting, how to utilize AI to its fullest extent to outsource some of your copywriting works, and also boost your productivity, right? Okay, so I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.